Okay, so before we actually really dive deep into the course, I'm pretty much going to be covering the differences between a side gig and passive income because they often get confused for one another, but in reality, they're two very different things. And what we're going to be talking about in this course is passive income and how you can start generating it. So, what's the difference between side gigs and passive income? So, we'll be covering that in this lecture. So side gigs versus passive income. So first of all, let's start off by defining side gigs. So a side gig is pretty much something that actually allows you to generate extra money. Now this is extra money on the side. Now this could be a part-time job that you use to actually supplement your income. So let's say you get off at work at 5 p.m. because on Monday to Friday, you're going to work from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and you want to start earning extra money. Well, you may be able to drive Uber for a few hours, maybe after work from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. so you can actually start generating that extra income. Or on Saturdays and Sundays when you're off, you can maybe drive Uber, or maybe you could even get a part-time job on the weekends at a coffee shop. Now, this is what I would consider a side gig because it allows you to generate extra money on the side with the extra time that you have after work. So you're pretty much still trading your time for money, but you're actually doing it outside of work, and it actually allows you to generate extra money. Now, this is a great way to start saving up for something. Maybe you're low on money and you could really use that extra money because you have lots of time on your hand and you're looking to maybe supplement your money, or maybe you're saving up for a big purchase. But that's not what the focus of this course is. The focus of this course is passive income. So I'm going to go ahead and actually define passive income. And so what passive income is, it's pretty much you building a system that allows you to generate money over the long term. So you actually be investing your time and money. So initially, let's say you're actually building this system, and you're going to be investing lots and lots of time to actually get this system up and running. But once you actually have the system up and running, you'll notice that it will automatically run. Maybe you may need to do something here and there to actually keep the system running smoothly, but overall it will actually generate you money without you really having to have too much involvement. Now you can clearly see the difference between side gig and passive income in the sense that passive income requires little effort while side gigs require lots of effort and continuous effort. So passive income, majority of the effort is all in the beginning when you're really building the system and investing your time and money. Another way is actually straight up just investing your money, whether it be into stocks, bonds, dividends, or even maybe buying real estate property, which I'll be covering in this course. You can actually use your money and leverage it to actually generate more money, whether it be renting out an entire house, renting out rooms, or using that money to actually invest in Apple, Google, and actually getting paid out in the long run. Now again, you can pretty much now be able to distinguish between the two, that they're very similar in the sense that they're extra income, but one requires continual effort while the other requires a lot of initial effort but requires very minimal effort in the long time. So again, we're going to be focusing on passive income and not side gigs. So yeah, I hope this lecture really helps you guys distinguish between the two. So without further ado, let's get right into this course.